What's up guys, it's Connor with 4Runner Lifestyle, and today we're going to install the Rago Fabrication exterior modular storage panels on this 4Runner. So what these exterior modular storage panels do, or E-MSPs as we call them, is add more storage to the exterior of your 4Runner. And so when you have things on your roof rack, like a tent and things like that, you're gonna run out of space to put other things like RotoPax and stuff like that. And so these have integrated RotoPax mounting points, so you can put the RotoPax mounts on there. And so super easy, and we're gonna show you how to install it on a Prinsu. So it's going to come with the hardware, the upper bracket, which attaches to your roof rack, the actual storage panel, and 2 suction cups. So going to start by taking the upper bracket, and we're just gonna put it under this and line the holes up with that. And then you're just going to take a bolt and a washer, thread that through, and then we're gonna screw these on with an Allen wrench. And there is 2 different lengths, and we're going to use a small one for this. So if you look right here, there's these 2 holes right here, as well as these 2 holes right here. That is for the suction cup. So we're just gonna screw these on with the provided hardware that comes with the suction cup. So if you are planning on throwing RotoPax on these, now is a great time to put your RotoPax mount on. We do have those on 4runnerlifestyle.com as well. And you have a bunch of different positions to choose from for that. So now I'm just going to use a hex key to remove these 4 bolts on your Prinsu roof rack. Okay. So you're just going to grab your E-MSP and you're going to line it up. So we're going to line it up so it's just barely, this is just barely in front of that Prinsu logo, and then able to screw right in with those same bolts that we just took out. So right now we're gonna push in, and then we're gonna tighten these down. Make sure that's secure, and then we're gonna go get our hardware. Just gonna put those bolts right back in there. So we're just gonna start the first bolt right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you saw, super easy install, not hard at all. It mounts to the Prinsu roof rack. It also mounts to the Rago Fabrication roof rack, as well as others it will most likely work with, since it's got a lot of room right here where you can kind of move it back and forth for any roof rack you want. We have these in stock on our website. There's a link in the description. It'll take you to purchase it. We also have the RotoPax mounts as well as RotoPax themselves. And you don't have to throw RotoPax on here. There's just so many different ways you can mount things with the MOLLE panel and all these different holes. And so whatever you want to mount on here, you should be good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching.